Good morning, student. Now we are going to discuss some question and answer of the Tiger King. First question: what was the miracle that took place in the royal palace? Answer: when the Maharaja was a 10-day-old infant, he spoke and asked intelligent questions about his death. After knowing that he would be killed by a tiger, he uttered, saying, "Let tigers beware." Second question: how was the Tiger King brought up? Answer: as a child, the Tiger King was brought up by an English nanny and tutored in English by an Englishman. He was given the milk of an English cow. He watched only English movies. Third question: what did the state astrologer say he would do if the 100 tigers were also killed? Answer: the chief, the state astrologer was so sure of his prediction that he announced that he would cut off his ceremonial tuft, crop his hair short, and become an insurance agent in case the king was able to kill the 100 tigers too. He was sure that the Maharaja's death would be caused by the 100 tigers. Question 4: what did the high ranking British officer wish to do? Was his wish fulfilled? Answer: the high ranking British officer wanted to kill a tiger. He was denied the permission for hunting. He sent word to the king that he would be happy if he was allowed to get photographed with the carcass of a tiger killed by the king. His wish remained unfulfilled. Question 5: how did the Maharaja get more tigers to kill when he had killed all the tigers in his kingdom? Answer: left with no other alternative, the king thought of getting married into a royal family. His only criteria for selecting a bride was that his in-laws' estate should have sufficient number of tigers. Finally, he found his desired match. He pursued his one-point program of meeting the tally of 100 tigers. Question 6: how and why was the 100 tiger honored? The king had ordered that the 100 tigers should be brought in the city in a procession and a tomb should be built over his mortal remains. It was to commemorate the killing of the 100 tigers, his sole motive of life. After killing the 100 tigers, the king was very much relieved and had a sense of achievement. These are some short question answer for practice. Try to find out the answer of this question while reading the text. Long questions. This question will be asked for 6 marks. How did the Tiger King meet his end? What is ironical about his death? Or how did the prediction of the chief astrologer came to true, though he had killed the 100 tigers? Answer: it was the third birthday of Maharaja's son and he wanted to buy a present from the toy shop. He brought a wooden tiger which was poorly carved by an unskilled carpenter. It had a rough surface with tiny slivers of wood standing up like quills all over it. His arm got infected in 4 days. It developed into a suffocating sore and spread all over the arm. The king died while being operated upon. The king's death is ironical but not surprising. Having killed the 100 tigers, the king was thrilled for he had fulfilled his oath and disproved the prediction of the royal astrologer. He was at ease for he thought he would not die of tiger's attack. No wonder he ordered the dead tiger to be taken in procession through the town and get a tomb erected over it. All this while he did not know that the 100 victim was not killed by him, but by other hunters. That is indeed quite ironical. Death was lurking around him and the king was unaware of it. Again, it is ironical that a king who had killed 100 tigers was bold and fearless, died of a mere silver on the body of a wooden tiger. Thus, ironically, death comes to him from a tiger. Second question: how flattery is eating into roots of our society and polity? Explain taking references from the Tiger King. Flattery is evident in almost all places. It basically satisfies the ego of person who is being treated in lofty terms. With words and gestures, a false word is created around so as to befool that fellow. Actually, the person frames unrealistic ideas about himself and falls prey to the sweetened pills. Wrong deeds are committed so as to meet the self interest. The genuine people are ignored at the cost of fake ones. It checks the healthy growth of relationships and hence the development of society. The real cause and issues are left behind and pretensions prevail. This whole idea unfolds in the Tiger King in humorous manner. To appease the king, the courtiers did not spare a chance to fulfill his whims and fancies. Such sort of administration leads to the ultimate fall of a state. The king met his end on the operation table at the hands of his saviors, that is, doctors. There are some long question type question. There are some long answer question for practice. Try to find out their answer. Thank you. If any doubt, any problem regarding the lesson, you are free to call me on my mobile number. Thank you.